Oh, look at this. It's a piece of the airplane. That's crazy. Look at all the wires in here. I think that's the part engine right there. This is the wreckage of a DC-3. It's a passenger cargo plane. It crashed in 1957 while it was trying to take off from the Gustavus Airport. It's a pretty good sized twin engine plane. Whoa. Yeah. I just watch. Look at this.
I don't think this plane went down. Maybe the pipe.
You can see the Air Force symbol really good over here.